Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it's a Sunday. So you know what that means. New Dollar General coupons. So come in the store with me, guys. Shop along so we can see what good deals we have with the new coupons. And I've already figured out some of the deals. So you will need your Ibotta app as well as your Swag Bucks app. So make sure you have your pencil, your paper, and your phones to take some screenshots. And let's get ready to save, guys. Before we jump into the deals, make sure you hit that subscription button. If you have not subscribed, and hit the bell right next to it. And let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so the first item that I'm going to pick up is going to be two of the single glade sprays. And they are $2.25. And you can get any scent. They have a lot of different scents to choose from. I'm actually going to grab the Cashmere Woods. I love that scent. I used to get that all the time. Now, they're $2.25. Now, you have a choice. So, you want to grab two of them, okay? Now, when you grab two, you're going to get $1.50 back. You can either use the cash back feature on Dollar General app and get $1.50 cash back on your DG app, or you can use the Ibotta rebate and get $1.50 cash back on Ibotta. I'm going to do the Ibotta rebate, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. Whenever there's a choice of either doing the Ibotta rebate or the DG cash rebate, I always choose to do the Ibotta rebate. And the reason being is because with Ibotta, I actually get my cash back. With the DG app, I get DG cashback credit. It's not cash in my hands that I could use at another store. Whenever I have a choice to be able to use my money at another store, I take that choice because I don't want to be forced to have to use my money at Dollar General. But you know, everybody has their own preferences, so it's totally up to you what you want to do, but just putting that out there that you do have a choice to either do the cash back on Ibotta or the cash back on the DG app. Okay, another product that I want to get is the Icy Hot, and you want to get the one that is the 1.25 ounce. And that is $4.35. Okay, and again, guys, with this product, you do have a choice again. So you can get $2 cash back at Dollar General. And you can actually do it 3 times in one transaction. Or you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and you can get $2 back. And again, you can do that 3 times. Now, it does say offer excludes 1.25 ounce, but let me show you guys what happens when I scan the product. Look, the barcode does match. So you can either do the Ibotta app or you can do the DG app. Totally up to you. Of course, you know, like I always tell you, I'm going to do the Ibotta app. And the Ibotta app does have a $1 bonus. It says earn a bonus when you redeem 2 offers. So I'm going to grab 2 of them and see if it will let me get my bonus because I bought 2 in one transaction. It usually does. So if so, that'd be another $1 off. So that would be, we're going to pay $2.35 for each of them. So let's do the math. So $4.35 times 2 is going to be $8.70 minus $4, which would be the rebates, minus $1, which would be $3.70 for both, or $1.85 each. Guys, I think that's an excellent deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these. Another offer that we have is on these International Delight coffees in the can. They're $2.65 a piece, or you can get 3 for $7. Totally up to you. But they have a couple of different flavors. That's why I was showing you both of them. They are, again, $2.65, but there is a $1 digital, so that would bring it down to $1.65. I'm not going to get those, but I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you're a coffee lover and you wanted to get that, because I think it's a good deal. Okay, guys, another product that I want to show you. I'm not going to get this, but again, this is another product that you have a choice of, that you can either redeem on Ibotta or you can get the DG cash back. So here they have the Biore strips, and that's these or these, and these. They're all $5. Or the night patches, or the face wash, all of it is $5. And you can either use the $2 cash back from Dollar General, or you can use the $2 cash back from Ibotta. Totally up to you which one you want to get. I'm not going to get that, but I just wanted to show you what was available for you. Okay, guys, another good deal are these Airborne tablets. The best, these are 32 count. They're $7.95. Then they have the other vitamin C for $7.95. They have the immune system. They're all and no, not the elderberry, the immune system. They're all $7.95. And there is a $3 digital coupon in the DG app. Now, again, I'm not going to get that because I don't need that, but I think it's a good deal. It's almost 50% off if that's something that you need. Guys, I'm just trying to really only buy stuff that I need, stuff that I need for my bundles, or stuff that my family's going to use that I ordinarily buy. That is not something that I ever buy, but I would get it if it was like 75 or 100% off it. I mean, or 75 or like 90% off, and then I would use it. But right now, I'm not going to get it. Okay, guys, you can grab a thing of these Cascade Platinum Plus, and they are $5.50. It is the 7 count. I don't know why my phone keeps blurring. And there is a $2 digital, so that will bring these down to just $3.15. Okay, guys, you can grab this Gillette deodorant, which is $5. And there it is. I don't, it's just really acting crazy today. Okay, so you can grab this Gillette deodorant. This is what it looks like. It's $5. And there is a $2 digital coupon, so that will bring it down to $3. Okay, guys, be sure to clip this $4 big digital coupon because it does go with a lot of different razors. And unfortunately, my store doesn't have any in stock, so I want to show you what all it attaches to. So you can get the Big Soleil Comfort. You can get the, well, they do have, my store does have the Easy Rinse, which will bring those down to $3, but I don't want to pay $3 for those. And then they have the Easy Time, which are the men's. They have the Big Soleil Women's Twilight, which is $5.50. That's what I was looking for. Because then they would only be $1.50, but my store doesn't have those in stock. It says there's one in stock, but I don't see one in stock. Okay, guys, I think I looked up. So these Big Soleil Scented are $5.50, the 4 count. And on here, on the app, it says Twilight Lavender. So I didn't see Twilight Lavender on here, but I scanned them, and this is what it comes up, and there's the $4 digital coupon. So we're going to go ahead and throw these in our bucket because I love these razors. So we're going to get these razors for $1.50. So let me give them to you, and then here is the UPC. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab 2 of these Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. It looks like my store only has this scent, the clinging bleach gel, which is fine. But I'm going to grab 2 of these, okay? And they're not $3 like the sign says. They're actually $2.75. So that's going to put me at $5.50. I'm going to clip this $2 digital coupon, which is going to bring them down to $3.50 or $1.75 each. I'm absolutely happy with that. So we're going to go ahead and get that. Okay, guys, here's a really good deal on the Secret aluminum deodorant. So you're going to grab 2 of them. It doesn't matter which scent. Sorry for the noise, but I just want to show you guys. So it doesn't matter which scent you get. They're $7. You want to grab 2 of them, okay? When you grab 2, that's going to bring your total to $14. You're going to clip this $3 digital coupon that's in the app. So that means at the register, you're going to pay $11, okay? Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. With Ibotta, it says when you buy 2, you're going to get $4 back. And look, it does not say you can't use coupons, all right? So then you're going to get $4 back from Ibotta. So $4 back from Ibotta and $3 back with the digital coupon. That's $7. So these are going to be BOGO, buy one get one free. If this is the deodorant you like, this is the great time to get these, and this will be a good way to add these into a 5 off 25 scenario. Be on the lookout because I'm going to do an incredible secret deodorant deal for Saturday. Okay, guys, here's a quick and easy deal you can do. Anyone can do this. Is real simple. You want to grab any of these products, and it doesn't matter what scent, but you can either grab a Febreze spray, you can grab a small space, or you can grab a Febreze car clip. They're all priced at $3.25. Now, when you go on your DG app, you're going to see 2 Febreze coupons, one for $1.50 and one for $1 off 2. Do not clip that $1 off 2. You want to make sure you have the $1.50 off 1 Febreze product. If you clip both of them and you get 2 products, you're only going to get the $1 off. So make sure you have the $1.50 clip to get $1.50 off $3.25. All right, guys, another good deal you might want to get are these Snuggle dryer sheets. Make sure you get the 70 count. They're regularly $4.50, but they are on sale this week for $3.75. And we have a $1.25 digital coupon, so that will bring them down to just $2.50. That's almost half price. Just in case you guys are looking for a snack for the kids, you can grab these goldfish, and it is the 6.6 ounce. They're $2.50, and we have a 55-cent digital that you can save. That'll bring them down to just $1.95. Okay, guys, here's a great deal that I'm going to do on the Miss Edie's ice cream. You can get any of the flavors. Okay, they have a whole bunch of different flavors you can choose from. They're regularly $4.50, but they're on sale this week for $3.75. You're going to grab 2. That's going to bring your total. To excuse me, $7.50. You're going to clip this $1 digital coupon, $1 off 2. That means you're going to pay $6.50 at the register. Do not clip the $1 off cash back. If you clip that, your $1 digital is not going to come off. All right, now you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta is giving us $1.50 back for each ice cream up to 5, and look, you can use a coupon on that. So that's going to be $3 back from Ibotta plus your $1 digital coupon. That's $4 off, and we're paying $7.50, so that's going to be $3.50 for 2 things of ice cream, or $1.75 each. Guys, if that's not a great deal, I don't know what you think is. So I'm going to grab me 2 of them. I'm going to get the Caramel Delight, and I'm going to get the vanilla. Please keep in mind the deal does not end there, because we're going to get even more savings. We're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks. Swagbucks has a deal where you buy 2 ice creams and you get $2 back. So that brings our ice cream down to $1.50 a bucket, or 75 cents each. Okay guys, so we're going to grab 3 Old Spice products, and I'm going to choose to get 2 of the body washes and 1 of the deodorant. So each one of the body washes are $5.50, and then you have to get the 473 milliliter 16 fluid ounce. They're $5.50. And then I grabbed a deodorant for $6. You have to grab one of the $6 deodorant. Don't grab the high endurance or the original, because they won't work on this deal. So you grab these 3. You're going to go into your DG app, and there is a digital coupon that you're going to clip. It's very specific. Make sure you clip this $5 off 3 Old Spice products, okay? So now $5.50 and $5.50, that's $11, and $6 for the deodorant, that's $17. You're going to get $5 off at the register, so that's going to be your total down to $7. Make sure that your app is connected, your DG account is connected to your Ibotta app, because we're going to submit to Ibotta. We're going to get $2 back for the deodorant, and then we're also going to get some more rebates. One second, let me bring them up here to show you. And then we're going to get $2 back for each of the body washes. So that is $6 back from Ibotta, okay? Okay, guys, so those are some of the new deals that you can do at Dollar General this week. I'm going to do a couple. I'll bring you guys another video with my haul to show you my receipt, my out-of-pocket, and what apps that I use. Until the next time, keep on saving.